Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to improve the innovation process at Papool. Let's first have a look at today's agenda. We will start with a brief description of our current state of affairs, then we will move to the problems our company is actually facing. We will then explore the pros and cons of an open innovation strategy and how it might be applicable to Papool. And finally, we can discuss whether to go or not go with open innovation. Does it sound like a fair approach to you? Great, let's first start with our status quo then. We are currently operating a stage-gate innovation process with three research centers in Berlin, Helsinki, and Sweden. Currently, 80% of our R&D people are working in Sweden with a highly centralized innovation process. All the major decisions are made by high-ranking managers and scientists located in Sweden. So there are several problems associated with this status quo in our company that hinders its innovation process. All these problems discourage creative people with their ideas not being considered, leading to excellent employees leaving the company. Our goal now is then to find an optimal strategy to solve these problems and to improve the innovation process at Papool, which brings us to the open innovation topic. Open innovation will bring in much more diverse ideas than the company could have generated itself, as it is open to creative people all over the world. Moreover, open innovation increases collaboration and the learning opportunities within the firm, with all the ideas accessible to everyone. On the other hand, introducing open innovation to Papool might bring some implementation and coordination costs. Running an open innovation platform will require additional costs, such as hiring IT professionals and maintaining the system. On top of that, the company has to allocate additional staff that will be responsible for the evaluation of these ideas. So, all this being said, how may our company implement open innovation? Well, I would propose to create two separate crowdsourcing platforms, one for externals and another one for our internal employees. An external platform will allow us to get more creative ideas from diverse backgrounds while guaranteeing mentorship and sometimes job opportunities to our biggest contributors. We could then establish a pretty well structured process to upload new ideas on the platform for filtering purposes. On the other hand, an internal platform could motivate employees to be more creative and establish more transparency within R&D. Innovative ideas may be filtered using a monthly pooling system. Employees who invested virtual money into any successful project could then get rewarded with a cash prize if the project becomes profitable for the company. We could then create categories on our platforms to make the screening process smooth, with internal divisions evaluating the relevance of pre-selected projects related to their activities. After the screening process, the decision board will revise the best ideas. They will evaluate internal and external ideas anonymously and separately and ensure we have a balanced ratio of both. This will increase the motivation of our colleagues who will understand that their ideas are as much as valuable as external ones. As for the incentives to collaborate, external participants could receive a pecuniary reward, mentorship, a team, and resources to start developing their ideas. Same system for internals, who will get on top of that the leadership of their own projects and get implicated in any major decision linked to it. We should also look out for possible collaborations with smaller companies who might not be that enthusiastic to use our open platform. The main responsibility of Scouts is to keep an ear to the ground and gather informal information from various smaller sized companies about innovations in our areas of interest. The external platform committee could then evaluate how worthy it is to collaborate with them. Given those, weighing the pros and cons of open innovation and taking into consideration the current changes within the industry, it might be extremely rewarding for us to start shifting our innovation strategy to open innovation. This new strategy may however take months and years before becoming profitable, but will however ensure our business to stay sustainable on the long run. Hi.
Created using Powtoon.